Welcome back. I started to realize that this isn't going to be possible until I've discussed looping, and I kind of wanted to do looping after challenge one. So, let me just go ahead and explain to you guys what I expect for challenge one. So, challenge one is going to be I want you as the programmer to take in user input. Because we can write it out here. So, take in user input. Uh, by prompting the user for, and we want them to give you the name of the user, last comma first. Should do a last comma first, and then the age of the user in years. So this is going to be a string input, and this is going to be a integer input. So you're going to prompt the user for these two things, and then I want you guys to make a formatted output in the form of a formatted print, and that's the well, I won't even tell you guys. I'll let you guys see if you can remember how to do formatting, formatted printing, and I want it to be on a in this format. So we'll actually do a colon there. Oh, I'm sorry, can't type right now. So you're going to have it in the form of a new line, age, then tabbed input. I guess we'll do that. Then tabbed input, and then the actual age entered, followed by a new line. Actually, let's do this on another line. Another new line. No, you know what? We'll do this name first. So name followed by the actual name entered. And then new line, age followed by the actual age entered by the user. So essentially it should look something like this. So like, I guess you can prompt the user entered, and then it should be a new line, and then it should be name, colon, one tabbed input, user entered name, and then age, tabbed input, user entered age. I want it to be in this format, and I want it to output that to the user, and then I want this whole thing to be on one formatted print line. So that is the challenge. I know you could do this in a couple lines, and I know that would be an easier thing for you guys to do. But I think there is value to formatted print, and I want you guys to kind of experience that. So go ahead and give that a shot. The next video will be me actually executing, building it, and then running it. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.